Hey loves. So I have been pretty quiet the last few months and what am I gonna say? I'm sorry. It has been a big time of growth for me, so I appreciate your patience as I'm just now finally coming back. I've been really excited about getting back and talking with you all and doing the things I do here. So let's start off with what is happening. I am still seeing clients. I need you to know that. People have asked and they've wondered, I got quiet, they're not sure. I started seeing clients back at the end of April last year when businesses were coming back online, and turn that off. And I continued and I haven't stopped. I think the difficulty is that I have made some shifts and changes of where you can find me. So I'm not on the Cuddlist website right now, and people can find me, of course. Plenty of my information is on Facebook or YouTube or my website, which is janettrevino.com. So I'm out there. I just haven't been posting and sharing about the work that's happening right now. And I'm grateful that I have clients that are doing the big work, like the 2-day, 15 hours. So I've been seeing a lot of clients that are like ready to dive deep in that kind of stuff. So it's been definitely less one-on-one, but I'm here. I'd love to see you. I hope to start. I have a list of videos I have for you all and some big projects that I also want to share. So that is the work stuff. Again, if you'd like to see me, I'd love to see you for a session, a cuddle session, talk session. I do virtual, but in person is such, it's like my bread and butter. It's what feels really good. All right, that's that. In terms of like personal stuff, I've had some big changes, like, oh, big change, but it looks like this year I'm getting married. You know how scared I am to tell people I'm getting married, like you all, like people that that might want to see me as a client, because I think that if people know I'm getting married, they're gonna be like, well, I think she's gonna stop working. It is so bizarre, this idea of like, well, if you have a husband now, that must mean that you're not gonna work anymore. I don't even know what that's about. Like, what? Like, that's not a thing. So, I think last year, COVID pandemic was definitely an incubator for so many couples, which meant a lot of couples broke up and a lot of couples really struggled. And I had clients that were struggling that came and saw me because of all that mess. And then there's also people that really bonded more. And it was definitely a year of bonding for my fiance and me. And I'm grateful for it. I have 4 children, and they have been in online, well, 3 have been in online school, and it's just been a lot. So any of you, if any women are watching this, I bow to you, bow to me. It's been a hard year of managing all of that because there's so much responsibility that often falls on women, and it's been really hard. So again, I've been plenty busy, and I've been doing my own personal work, which is dealing with my own stuff. I will refrain. Yeah, doing a lot of work with myself, my feelings, my anger, fears, and those of you who also don't know, I am a power lifter, so I've been able to stay pretty connected into the gym since we got back in May. And look at that. Oh, you can hear it. Look, it doesn't move. That's pretty cool, right? Those of you who are interested, my PR now is, my bench is 120, which is like a big deal because I was a wall I couldn't break. I don't know what my squat is. I did 2 reps of like 175, 185, I can't remember. And my deadlift, I'm doing conventional, was 280. So yay. Okay. Not that any of you wanted to know that. So just sharing a little bit of what's going on with me. You can find me TikTok, Instagram, like sharing about the workout stuff, because that's something that's been fun to keep sharing. So anyway, thanks for your love, for your support, the share. got things to talk about, things to do, you and I. Let's get together and see what we can do. Much love to y'all.